Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video about XYO. That is the live trading video about XYO. Guys, in this video, we're doing some prediction about XYO future. XYO future is safe or not? XYO investment is safe or not? Let me show you guys in this video. I will show you clear. You can see here, first of all, if you look the latest update of XYO here. So now the price of XYO is about 0.04789 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO. Furthermore, if you look the changes, so it's about 13.99%. 13.99% the price pumps in the right now situation, guys. Guys, now if you look the trading, live trading of XYO, so you can see here. Now in the latest situation, the green candle appears. You can see it goes same like on my prediction. You can see like a red. That's my prediction about XYO. Let's wait some a minute. There is a 1 minute update of XYO trading. You can see here now a lot of people. The trading volume of XYO are increasing day by day. And hour by hour, a lot of people are start investing XYO because you know what, a lot of people, everybody now knows about XYO, that it is a profitable, you can see, oh my god, what a huge candle. I love this candle. You can see now in the right now situation the trading volume increase, so my prediction is goes like straight. Guys, please, if you are new in my channel, so click the subscribe button below for more news and right prediction. ABS Tech channel will guide you. ABS Tech channel will give you a suggestion. Now you can see here, guys, absolutely XYO is now in a pumping mood, guys. Absolutely a massive jump soaker by XYO also in the previous time. You can see here. Ready now, you can see here I'm talking about this, the trading volume is increased. Just look here, the last two candles. Now at this time the trading volume increase, so that's why the price pumping. My prediction just goes like that. What do you think about XYO? I'm sure about XYO future, and I believe that XYO will pump. Already in pump, but they will take a huge pump. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.